is about how to use each DVD lesson. Each DVD lesson is divided into 9 parts.
The first is today's target. The second is total physical response or TPR. The third is phonics. The fourth is songs. The fifth is vocabulary. The sixth is chants. The seventh is picture book. The eighth is sound guessing game. And finally, the ninth is review. Good luck!
Each DVD has a lesson number starting from A1.
A means the first month of the lesson program.
1 means the first week of a lesson.
There are 4 lessons in each month.
Each letter represents 1 unit.
There are a total of 9 units, with A being first and I last.
1 DVD for 1 week.
Akiko Sensei explains in Japanese what I am teaching. As lessons progress week by week, Akiko Sensei reduces Japanese explanation so that students will become independent in thinking and learning in English more each time.
Each of the 9 parts of each lesson is color-coded.
For every lesson, the color stays the same for each part.
For example, part 1, today's target, is yellow.
Should you want to skip a part, you can easily find the part you want by following the colors. Enjoy the lesson! See you next time!
チャンネル登録も
よろしくね!